Today, I'll be teaching you how to create AI talking avatars that look and talk like you. The avatar that is talking to you right now on the screen is just like me. Let me show you my picture and that of the avatar that I created. You can see how they resemble each other very well. My name is Linus and you are welcome back to my channel. Let's go into the tutorial immediately. All the tools we'll be using in this tutorial are free and they will be linked in the description of this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up if you are getting anything from it. Step 1. How to create your avatar. The AI tool I will use for this is known as Meta AI. This is an AI tool by Facebook which you can use to generate text and images. The link to this Meta AI is going to be in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to this interface. So what you need to do here is to click on Imagine. And when you click on Imagine, this dialog box is going to open. This is where you're going to put your prompt. Make sure that you're going to generate a prompt that will give you exactly what you need. Ensure that you're going to state the resolution of this particular image you want to generate, and the resolution is going to be 16 by 9 so that it will give you YouTube avatar type. Play around with different types of prompts until you get exactly what you want. My own prompt is going to also be linked in the description of this video. So let me put my prompt and let's just click on submit for us to generate the kind of image we want. So we now have different images here. If we're not comfortable with this kind of image, we can also generate another type. So what I want to do now, let me generate another image so that the image will be looking directly at me. Another thing you can also do here, if you click on this edit, you're going to get this thing reset the way you want. I'm just trying to modify my prompt for it to be able to give me what I need. So now let's go over with this one that I've generated. Okay, now let me choose this one on a white cloth. Then I'll click here and download it. Then after downloading it, the next thing we're going to do, that is step 2. Here we are going to do face swap, and the AI tool we're going to use here is Remaker AI face swap. So if you go to the description of this video, I'm going to link the site of this particular AI tool. If you click it, it's going to take you to this place. And if you don't have account before, what you need to do is to create an account using your Google or any other email address. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this interface. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this upload for you to get the image that we just downloaded. So when you do that, this one is going to be your own image, the particular image that you want to swap to. So you get that image and upload it here and do face swap. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll click on swap. So once I click on swap, I'll wait for it to be swapped. So this is what I've actually done right now. So what you need to do in this place, you are going to click on download for you to download this avatar that you have created. Now the third step we are going to do in this place is to make the avatar. For us to make the avatar, we're going to use another free AI tool that is known as Dub. There's going to be a link of this AI tool in the description of this video. Once you click, it's going to take you to the interface, and once you do that, please make sure you're going to sign up. If you don't have account with them already, sign up with your Google email or any other type of email. Fill out the things that are required, and then once it comes here, what you're going to do here, you click on avatar. Once you click on avatar, you allow it to open. Then you're going to upload your own image. Once it opens completely, you click on this upload. Once you click on this upload, you are going to take the image that we just swapped. The one we just swapped. That's what we're going to do. You click on this one, bring it here. Then the next thing you are going to do before you generate this thing is to put your own audio. Before this time around, I've already generated the voice that I'm going to use for this. So in this place, you are going to either upload or you record. But for the fact that I've already done voiceover before I start this video, what I'm going to do now is to click on upload. Then when I click on upload, I'm going over to my audio file for me to get what I have actually recorded before now. So this is the one I've recorded. I'll click it here. bringing down to this place, allow it to come in. Then once I am done with that, what the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on generate talking avatar. Then we'll allow the thing to generate. After it has generated, we can listen to it and hear what it says. Then click here and select download video and allow the video to download into your laptop or your phone. That's how you can actually create a talking avatar of yourself. Please make sure that you're going to give this video a thumbs up if you have gained anything from it, and share it among your family and friends. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.